guys, it's Roy from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with a super quick video to show you guys how to enable two-button navigation on Android 12. I've been able to use this method on my Pixel 6 and it works amazingly well. It has no issues and it's actually easier than the process to enable it on Android 10 and Android 11. There is one prerequisite, and that is that your device does have to be rooted in order to be able to do this. This method uses one of two different Magisk modules to enable the functionality on your device. Once your device is rooted, you're going to go into your preferred web browser. I personally use Google Chrome. We're going to go to rwoco12.com. That's rwoco12's Android repository. That's one of my sites that I use here. It's where I host different firmware files and files that are useful for different users. We're going to go in here. I'll have this link in the description so you don't have to navigate to it. But in our file browser, we're going to go to my Magisk Modules folder. And I have two different options in here in the two-button navigation. I have one that says two-button navigation short and another one that says two-button navigation standard. The short one, it just has a shorter navigation bar, so if you like your navigation bar a little bit shorter, I'd recommend going with that one. If you want the standard height, just this right here, go ahead and use the standard option. So you're going to tap on those, it's going to download them. Once it's downloaded, you're going to go into your Magisk. You're going to come down here to the modules option, install from storage, and then you're going to select the one that you want to use. Now this is the most recent one I just downloaded. It's going to install right away, and then we're going to hit reboot. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings. In settings, you're going to scroll down to system, and you are going to go into your gestures, and you're going to go to system navigation. Once you are in here, you will see gesture navigation, two-button navigation, and three-button navigation. So previously, to enable this, you had to use an ADB command. We will have that ADB command in the video description down below, just in case you don't see this menu option. If you don't see the menu option, you just run the ADB command, and presto, you're good to go. It enables it automatically. If you do see the menu option, all you have to do is you just select that, and then presto, you can see here, we got our two-button navigation. We got swipe up for recent, we got tap for home button, and then we have our back button for back. All in all, it's a super easy process, super straightforward, and super awesome. I'm super glad that we're able to have the Android 9 two-button navigation back on our Android 12 devices. Those links are in the video description down below. Again, we will also have that ADB command just in case you don't see it there in your settings. If you guys have any questions about this process or about the Pixel 6, feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.